Hey everyone! Let's play a little game. Suppose your friend, Ria, is telling a story. She says, Ria went to the park. Ria saw a cat. Ria liked the cat. Ria gave food to the cat. Sounds weird, right? Why does Ria keep saying her name again and again? Well, that's where pronouns come in. Instead of repeating a noun like Ria, we can just say she. So it becomes Ria went to the park. She saw a cat. She liked the cat. She gave food to it. Isn't that much easier to say and understand? Now you tell me in the chat box, what is a pronoun in your own words? Let's see your answers. So, my deep kids, pronouns are the words that take the place of nouns. They also replace nouns, so we don't have to repeat nouns again and again. Pronouns make our speaking and writing simpler. Now, let's learn about some special pronouns. Personal pronouns. These are the ones that take the place of a person, an animal, or a thing in a sentence. Look at these examples. I, me, you, he, she, it, we, us, they, them. Let's imagine a situation where we're playing a game of catch. I throw the ball. You catch it. Then he runs after it, and they all cheer. All these words, like I, you, it, he, and they, are personal pronouns. Can you write one sentence using any personal pronoun in the chat box? Let's dig a bit deeper. So, personal pronouns are used instead of a person's or a thing's name. Why? Because repeating names makes things long and boring, and we don't want that, right? Here comes team singular. These pronouns talk about just one person, animal, or thing. Say hello to I, you, he, she, and it. So if I say, this is my friend Rahul, he is kind, or I have a cat, it is fluffy. We use a singular personal pronoun for one person, place, animal, or thing. Now make way for team plural. These pronouns replace more than one person, animal, or thing. Say hello to we, you, they. Like, my friends and I love to play. We play every evening. Or, Manya and Sonia are sisters. They live in Delhi. See the difference? Chatbox time! Try using we or they in your sentence. Let's go! Let's see them in action. Instead of saying John is happy, we say he is happy. That's so much simpler. This is how pronouns help us shorten our sentences and avoid saying names too many times. It's like a shortcut that still makes perfect sense. Now let's see who's doing the talking. First person means I'm the one speaking. So if I say, I love chocolate, I'm talking about myself. If we're a group and I say, we are going to the zoo, then it's me and others together. And when someone gives something to me, you say, give the book to me. Or if there are more people, give the books to us. Okay, listeners, can you write a sentence using I, we, me, or us in the chat? Now it's your turn. Yup, you're the second person. When I talk to you directly, I say, you are awesome. Whether it's one person or a group, we still say you. Isn't that cool? Third person means we're talking about someone else. Not me, not you, but them. Ooh! For boys, we use he. For girls, we use she. For things, we say it. For more than one, we say they or them. So, Sam has a ball. He plays with it. His friends watch him play. Here, he and him are both third-person pronouns used for Sam. Let's now talk about something we all care about: our stuff. Possessive pronouns show that something belongs to someone, like mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs, its. For example, that pen is mine, or the toys are ours. Let's break it down. This book belongs to me. It is mine. That pencil is yours. The backpack is his, hers, theirs. We share this toy. It is ours. Did you notice? We don't need to say the noun again. The possessive pronoun like mine, yours, his, hers, theirs, ours shows ownership. Time for a quick challenge. Fill in the blanks and type your answers in the chat box. First one is, this bike is dash. Second is dash. Have a cat. Dash is cute. Hint is in front of your eyes. The last one is dash are my friends. Think carefully what pronouns fit here. Let's see who gets them all correct first. Type fast. Now, it's time to check your answers. I hope pronouns are clear to you. That's all for now. Bye!